Oh my god. This took forever to set up. Jeez. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dollface Baby. Yeah, I'm everybody's fantasy. I haven't said that in so long. It feels so weird. It's just like it's like a breath of fresh air. I am coming at you with straight hair. I also have on this silky robe that I bought from Shein. Don't get it twisted though. It was only $14.99. Okay, this is what happened. I uploaded a video, I think on Sunday. It's Tuesday afternoon. It's like fucking 2 in the afternoon. Come Monday morning, that video that I had uploaded on Sunday, it wasn't it. I just hated it. It didn't upload in the right quality. I just didn't like the video content. I didn't want that on my channel, so I took it off. I put it on private. A couple of you might have seen that video. You might have not. But some of y'all might think, damn, this girl missed an upload. Technically, I didn't miss an upload, but like the video's not there, so it still is gonna say that I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks by the time I get this video up, which sucks. I really hate that. I'm really OCD about specific things, and that's one of them. I don't want it to say that I haven't posted in 2 weeks, because then people who are here who are new are gonna think that I'm like inconsistent. I am in the best mood right now. I finally was able to order the Conspiracy palette by James. Did I really just say by James? By Jeffrey and Shane Dawson. I'm gonna do a review, but it's probably gonna come a little late because well, I pre-ordered the palette. That was the only way I was able to get it through pre-order. I bought these big ass barrettes from Target, and I don't know how to act. Let's just get started with the makeup. I need to start like actually doing makeup. I think today I'm gonna go in with the NYX Hydra Touch primer. This one is just really cooling. I really like the way it feels on my skin. I think it's water-based. I also want to go in with a pore minimizing primer. For today, I'm just gonna use e.l.f. Poreless Putty. I like couldn't stand my nails. I liked them, but like I work at Starbucks, and just having to make drinks with the nails was really grinding my gears, so I literally chewed them all off, except for the thumbnails, of course, because those literally take twice as long every time for me to take them off. They just hurt to take off. Anyway, I'm just gonna focus this primer in the middle of my face where my pores are big as heck. So it's got craters. It's usually like right here in this portion, in this section. I feel like I look like a pinhead right now. I really like supporting smaller channels, people who don't have clout like that, but who are just like good at what they do. But recently I've been watching the same like 5 people, like my friends on YouTube. I'll watch them. I'll watch Jackie. I'll watch Shane. I'll try to watch Jeffrey, but he hasn't posted in God knows how long. I like Raw Beauty Chrissy. My hair is bugging. For foundation today, I'm gonna use my Lancome Teint Adiole Ultra Wear. I don't usually wear this one often. I'm just using it today because if I don't use it, my next go-to would be to mix Fenty Beauty, the hydrating one. Why did I say hydrating like that? Hydrating. Lord, give me the strength to get through this video. Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 250. One of you guys clocked me. No, a few of you guys clocked me the other day for not saying like the shade names of my products. I am sorry. I did not know it was that deep. A few people, not even just one. I didn't know you guys wanted to know the shade names that bad. The shade for my foundation, it's a little darker, but I tend to go a little smidge darker with my foundations just because that's the way I prefer it. This is in 410 BISW. I don't know what that means. I just got off my period, so I'm still trying to clear up all of the hormonal acne on my chin. Don't mind that. I've been trying out a lot of sponges lately. Like I tried the Juno & Co sponge, I tried the Sonia Kashuk sponge, and none of them hit the same as this Real Techniques one. This Real Techniques one is just so bouncy and beautiful. Like the Juno & Co sponge is a cool concept because you're not wasting a lot of product, but it's just not as soft, and I really like myself a soft sponge. You guys are like, okay, no one cares. I look kind of stupid with my hair like this, but like I didn't like the barrettes. I don't do this often because usually I don't have a lot of like blemishes that need a lot of coverage, but this right here is still peeking through. There's a few imperfections or like dark spots on my face I don't want to cover, so I'm going to go in with concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan. I wish I had done this under my foundation, but you know, you live and you learn. Yeah, I just gotta say, I really do prefer Too Faced Born This Way over this really bougie Lancome foundation. Too Faced is a lot more universal for all types of skin, and this foundation really, I'm not sure whose skin this would cater best to. It's just not doing too good for me. While we're here with that, I'm also going to conceal under my eyes with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm going to play some Dojo Cat. I'm going to do some cream bronzer today, but instead of actually using cream bronzer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to use this kind of sparingly because it's pretty dark. Also, I'm going to do one portion of my face at a time, so about this much. Pull back the hairline. And I've been enjoying buffing it out with a brush lately. So it's just like you're bronzed from within. It's not like a bronzer that sits right on top of the skin. It kind of just melts in with the foundation and looks a little more skin-like, but also still beat. I just really prefer it, but sometimes I don't have the patience to do it. But today I'm like, you know what, let's switch it up. Just gonna also buff over that with my sponge and any leftover foundation that is on it. You could have even used a little less of this product, but you know, I go overboard with everything. It's telling me that danger is near. Okay, now that we've got the bronzer set down, I feel like I haven't been looking at the camera or even at myself in the viewfinder. I film with a cell phone, hello. I haven't been looking in this direction in a while. And I'm gonna set my face with the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder. My favorite powder of all time. I have the Milk Makeup one as well, and I use that one as well, but I just prefer this one because it has a lot more of a blurring effect than the Milk one, and I just like the consistency of this one a tad bit more. I'm really picky when it comes to my setting powders, like super picky about them. Airspun, I used to use that a long time ago back in the day. I tried using it again like a little whiles ago, not too long ago. Can't stand it, mate. I don't know why I used to like it so much. Now it's just way too drying. It accentuates way too many dry patches on my skin, and I feel like it just kind of sticks and doesn't really ever leave fully. When I use it on other people though, like when I use it on my clients, it looks totally fine. So I'm not understanding. Maybe it's just my skin that it doesn't cater well to. So I'm gonna set my cream bronzer with, you know what, I've been stuck on this bronzer since I bought it. NYX bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan. It's just really good. Like, I just like the consistency of it a lot better than my other bronzer. It just blends a lot easier than like my Anastasia one or my Tarte one. I really want to try the Fenty bronzer too. Not doing too much, just making sure I'm setting down the cream. For blush, I'm gonna just go in with something kind of subtle. This is Tarte blush in the shade Dazzled. It's really pretty for like an everyday type of thing. Kind of gonna just add a little to the nose, even though it's fall. Your face still gets kind of red and it's really cold, right? Not that it's really cold yet, but like it's colder, like shoot, I don't know. Also, I put a little bit on my chin just for extra color. Now I'm just gonna set everything with the Make It Last setting spray from Milani. I don't like the smell in it. The smell is very strong. I don't like or prefer smells in my makeup or skincare products. It's okay in makeup, I guess, like as long as it's subtle. I really don't like it in my skincare or my sprays. Like, if I don't know, I just feel like it's too much, especially because this is kind of strong. All right, so the eyebrows are now done, and I just set and primed my lids. I primed my lids with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 02. This is just going to be a very simple fall look, something that everyone is capable of doing, no matter your expertise or your experiences with makeup. I feel like a lot of different types of people can do this look. It's just going to be like a brown, really smoked out smoky eye. The first thing I'm gonna go in with is gonna be the shade right here called Zulu. It's really just like a pretty brick brown shade, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M518 brush. This is my favorite blending brush by Morphe. It's just like the perfect size brush. What I'm gonna do is basically focus the shadow in my crease and kind of just build up the pigment. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506 because it's a little smaller and it's a little easier to get into all of the crannies. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing I was doing with the other brush, basically just stamping on the pigment. I kind of want to do an anti-haul video. I kind of want to do a lot of different videos, but what stops me is the fact that I feel like no one is gonna watch them, and I don't want to spend my time and effort and money and time into making videos no one gives a shit about. So the tea. I don't think I like the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I'm sorry. These purples are kind of really patchy. This has nothing to do with it, but the purples in this palette are kind of patchy. I think what I'm going to actually just do is not even take any other color, just kind of blend this upwards. Kind of use it as my transition and my crease shade. This part is kind of scary because a lot of people get terrified when they come close to anything black on your eyes. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean. You can use literally whatever black eyeliner you have. If you only have a black eyeliner, it might take a little longer to paint your eyelid with it, but you can use that. If you have cream or like gel eyeliner, you can use that. I'm just gonna literally apply it right to my eyelid. And then I'm gonna start blending and smudging it out with a brush. This brush came in a Lorac set, so I don't know what brush it is, but it's kind of just like a fluffy packing brush, if that makes sense. Once we've got that, I'm gonna go in with my masquerade palette again and take some of the same Zulu shade, and I'm basically just gonna touch it back up in the crease, making sure I'm kind of just meshing that black and those browns together. Okay, so now since I wanted this to be a chocolate cut crease, what am I, ow, what the because I wanted this to be a chocolate smoky eye, I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown right here. Just tap this directly onto the black base. Perfect. Now that we have that brown down on the black base and it's a little harsh, we just have to do like the little trial and error game now. We're just gonna go in back with Zulu and a really small detailed blending brush. And you just wanna kind of mirror those two browns together now. I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks now, so I'm gonna stop touching it and instead I'm gonna add some lashes. This is Fabulash in the style Sassy Lash. These are $35 lashes. All right, while the lashes are drying, I'm gonna go in with my black liner. I don't think it has a shade, but it's just the Almay retractable black eyeliner pencil. Now I'm gonna take this shade Zulu and blend and smoke that all along my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take this really low. This is gonna be the lowest shadow. I'm going to take a lot more of a detailed brush in that same chocolate brown that we have all over the eyelid. And I'm going to take that really, really, really close. Right beneath that black liner. The camera isn't doing the deepness of this look justice, so after all of this, I'm probably going to film a little bit without like all of the lighting and stuff. I'm gonna put some of this cream shade on my brow bone. Then I'm gonna take this golden shade from the masquerade palette called the High. Butchered that for sure, but I'm gonna pop right in the inner corner. Actually, I'm gonna hit right there with that eyeshadow as well because it's just so pretty. And for the finale, the lips. Oh wait, I'm gonna do some mascara off camera, but for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star's liquid lip in the shade Leo. All right, guys, we're there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Here is the finished look. This is my new favorite lip for this season especially. It is just so pretty. I really like it on my skin tone as well. Anyone and everyone can do this look. It is not that hard. It's not hard at all, actually, if you have some time, if you have some patience, and if you have a blending brush, you can totally do this look. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all the most, and I will see every single one of you, hopefully. Don't forget to click that notification bell button in my next one. Bye.